Good morning, I'm Bola, an ordinary participant of MMM Global. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. On the 22nd of September, I provided help of 200,000 naira. On 26th of September again, I provided another help of 500,000 naira. And on the 29th of September, I provided help of 300,000 naira. Altogether, the total help I provided is 1 million naira. And on the 30th of October, I received help of 30% plus the registration bonus, the total of which is 1,350,000 naira. Thanks so much to all participants who have provided help to me, and of course, the founder of this unique community, Saji Mavrod. MMM rules. Together we change the world. Thank you.